Have you ever tried trading to make passive income, only to end up losing your money? Well, what if I told you there's a method that guarantees making money without any losses? In today's video, I'll be sharing with you the best and easiest way to earn a lot of money through trading. This strategy is not only effective in trending markets, but also during range-bound periods. So, if you're ready to hack your way into the trading world and capture more market moves, make sure to watch the rest of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more powerful strategies like this one. Let's get started. To include this fantastic indicator in our chart, start by clicking on the Indicator tab. Then, search for QQE Mod, authored by Mihkel00, and follow it up by searching for SSL Hybrid, also created by Mihkel00. Used together, they form a formidable strategy for identifying trends, momentum shifts, and high-probability entry and exit points. Let's start by breaking down QQE Mod. At its core, QQE Mod uses a histogram that fluctuates above and below a center line to depict momentum. The histogram can appear in 3 different colors depending on market conditions. A blue histogram means the upside momentum is increasing and the market is advancing. A red histogram means a downside momentum is increasing and the market is declining. A gray histogram means little to no momentum in either direction, a non-trending or flat market. This color coding provides an extremely intuitive way to track momentum shifts visually. However, since you should be focusing on shorter time frames, you need to adjust the settings so the indicator better reflects the current market state. Otherwise, you'll lose your sight and trade at an unsuitable time frame. And boom! Your money will be gone. Don't feel like juggling various indicators and doing the analysis on your own? No problem. We've integrated all these indicators into one easy-to-use indicator with straightforward, profitable buying and selling signals. You can grab the BitsTurtle indicator from the description below. Go to the Inputs tab and set the RSI length to 11 and RSI smoothing to 7. This will smooth out a lot of the noise and more clearly identify the trending versus non-trending periods of the market. The key thing to understand is that when the histogram shifts from gray to blue or red, it can signal the initiation of a new trend. A gray to blue transition suggests an uptrend may be starting, while gray to red hints at a potential downtrend. In addition to the histogram, QQE Mod also displays a white line showing the current net pressure in the market. When this line is above the center, it indicates an uptrend may be underway from a higher time frame perspective. Conversely, when below the center, it suggests a downtrend could be in progress. Much like the histogram color, you wouldn't want to trade solely based on this white line crossing the center, but it provides yet another solid data point for confirming swing direction. Now let's move on to SSL Hybrid and how to combine it with QQE Mod. SSL Hybrid has a colored baseline that aligns with the overall market trend, blue for an uptrend and red for a downtrend. It also generates buy, blue arrow, and sell, red arrow, signals based on its proprietary algorithm. The baseline is a powerful tool as it filters out a lot of noise and identifies the direction of the overarching trend. Our strategy will be to only take signals in the direction of the current SSL baseline. If the baseline is blue, for the uptrend, now keep an eye out for buy arrows while completely ignoring any sell signals that appear. Conversely, if the baseline is red, downtrend, you must only pay attention to sell arrows and disregard any buy signals. Same tip, different situations. This alone adds a strong layer of filtering against taking trades against the broader trend. For buy signals, 1. SSL Hybrid shows a blue buy arrow. 2. SSL Hybrid baseline is blue. 3. QQE Mod histogram is blue. 4. The QQE Mod histogram bar is above the white line. For sell signals, 1. SSL Hybrid shows a red sell arrow. 2. SSL Hybrid baseline is red. 3. QQE Mod histogram is red. 4. The QQE Mod histogram bar is below the white line. By requiring this multi-factor confirmation, you'll essentially only take trades that have the following 3 forces all aligning. 1. The overall swing direction, via SSL baseline. 2. The trade signal itself, SSL buy-sell arrow. 3. The current short-term momentum, QQE Mod histogram color and position relative to the white line. This potent combination allows you to filter out a tremendous number of false signals and whipsaws, especially during range-bound, directionless market periods. By holding off and only pulling the trigger when the QQE Mod histogram aligns with the SSL signals and trends, you systematically avoid many losing trades. Let's look at an example. Imagine the SSL Hybrid baseline is blue, indicating an uptrend. You then get a buy signal arrow. Before acting, you check QQE Mod. The histogram is gray, and the bars are not above the white line. This tells you that despite the uptrend and buy signal, momentum has not shifted yet in your favor. You'd make no trade and simply wait for true momentum confirmation from QQE Mod. When the market is trending upward, it's essential to identify the optimal entry points for a long position. In this scenario, we're looking for a clear signal to buy. When the SSL Hybrid baseline is blue and the SSL Hybrid shows a blue buy arrow, this indicates a strong uptrend is in place. Next, I'm on the lookout for the QQE Mod histogram to be blue and the QQE Mod histogram bar to be above the white line. This approach allows me to profit from the trend while minimizing risk. To capitalize on this opportunity, consider opening a long position. Then, place your stop loss below the recent swing low level to minimize potential losses. To maximize your gains, optimize your take profit with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1:2. Now let's wait and watch what happens with our long trade. As you can see, our trade has reached the take profit. But what if the market is trending downward? Then it's crucial to identify the perfect entry point for a short position. In this scenario, we're looking for a clear signal to sell. When the SSL Hybrid baseline is red and the SSL Hybrid shows a red sell arrow, this indicates a strong downtrend is in place. Next, I'm on the lookout for the QQE Mod histogram to be red and the QQE Mod histogram bar to be below the white line. This approach allows me to profit from the trend while minimizing risk. To capitalize on this opportunity, consider opening a short position. Then, place your stop loss above the recent swing high level to minimize potential losses. To maximize your gains, optimize your take profit with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1:2. Now let's wait and watch what happens with our short trade. As you can see, our trade has reached the take profit. Now, there is one scenario where you may need to exercise additional caution: extended sideways periods with brief pockets of momentum. In these cases, QQE Mod may briefly turn blue or red, appearing to confirm a signal. However, in reality, the market is simply stalling out after a small rip or dip. To handle these trickier situations, you can implement the ADX indicator as a trend filter. Set the ADX length to 25 and avoid trading at all when the ADX line is below 25. This will prevent accidentally treating small momentum bursts as new trends during prolonged range periods. There's no perfect strategy that catches every move while avoiding all false signals. But by combining SSL Hybrid with QQE Mod and optionally adding ADX as an additional filter, you'll be light years ahead of most traders in terms of trade quality. If you're looking to elevate your trading skills and capture more market moves, check out this video. It's packed with insights that can help you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more powerful trading strategies and tips. Your journey to better trading starts here.